Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have given an expression 6 divided 1 by 6 times 6. So let's start with today's video solution. So people solve it 6 divided 1 by 6, write 6 by 6 times 6 and they cancel out the 6 with 6 and 1 times 6 is 6, which is the incorrect approach and the incorrect answer. What is given? 6 divided 1 by 6. If they given 6 multiply 1 by 6, then you'll write 6 by 6. But in case of division, you have to follow KCF rule where K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it becomes 6 times 6 times 6. Now 6 times 6 is 36, times 6 is 216. So what is the correct answer? 216. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.